Mhm.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. We are students from University Technical Malaysia Melaka. Today, we want to ask you about ethics and OSHE. Before that, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Muhammad Zulfidaus bin Zulkafli, and my friend.
My name is Ahmad Razam Aizat.
First of all, we would like to express our gratitude since you can spend your time with us for our assignment. To start our conversation, can you introduce your name, tell us about your job, and how long you've been in the engineering field?
Okay, my name is Amirul Arif. Okay, I working as a civil engineer since 5 years ago lah. So now I have 5 years experience.
Okay, thank you, sir. As we know, ethics is a system of moral principle. Ethics also still extends to corporate social responsibility today. What do we owe to our workers, consumers, clients, and the world as a whole, and how do we guarantee our long-term survival as an organization by meeting these obligations? Since you are working as site engineer, where is your where is the code of ethics applied at your company?
Okay, when there's a project to conduct, the team should follow the code of ethics as guidance in measuring how would they do their job in conducting of a project in safe way. And code of ethics, if not if we not follow the code of ethics, it will endanger to the team project and also ourselves lah.
Next.
They often to know the potential hazard associated with their job. So the new employee had to participate in establish, operating, evaluating, and improving the safety and health program. Okay, do not experience retaliations when they raise safety and health concerns, report injuries, illness, and hazard, participate in the program, or exercise safety of health right.
Thank you, sir. For the last question, in terms of employee safety, what are the safety measures that needs to be taken into account in your company?
Okay, we should wear the safety equipment such as personal protective equipment (PPE) during project site to protect against risks associated with specific works. Know the location of first aid kits in case of emergency and accident occur at the project site. Okay.
Dah habis record ni.
Okay.
Okay, Assalamualaikum Miss. We are students from University Technical Malaysia Melaka. Today we want to ask you about ethics and Oshe. Before that, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Muhammad Zulfidaus bin Zulkafli.
My name is Ahmad Razam Aizat. My name is Muhammad Zahir bin Abdul Rahim. So first of all, we would like to express our gratitude since you can spend time with us for our assignment. To start our conversation, can you introduce your name, tell us about your job, and how long you've been in the engineer field?
Okay, Assalamualaikum and very good afternoon to everyone.
Salam.
So my name is Engineer Rosnita binti Abdul Rani. I joined the JKR since 1997, so almost 30 years already. So for almost of the time I involved in design building such a building, and cara dengan kejuruteraan Suto dan kejuruteraan Bakar at GRSU.
Okay, thank you, Miss. As we know, ethics is a system of moral principle. Ethics also still extends to corporate social responsibility today. What do we owe to our workers, consumer, clients, and the world as a whole, and how do we guarantee our long-term survival as an organization by meeting these obligations? Since you are working as civil engineer, where your company apply code of ethics?
Okay. Actually, when we are working at any field lah, so we must comply code of ethic in everywhere we working. So for me, I serve in my office. So on the certain procedure, we must comply to make sure everything is safe, including everybody, including myself and also my staff lah. So we are looking at the actually on our start with our office lah. For example, for my chair, for my chair, actually we must consider for the ergonomic sitting lah, so we can protect ourselves to feel like frantic or whatever lah that were on our job. So for my scope, sometimes we also go to the site. So when we go to the site, we must make sure we follow all the SOP and also the bag that we must wear and wear the safety and shoes and everything lah. But so far I stay at the office and we also have a regular meeting for safety. Almost if I'm not mistaken, about 4 times a year. So on the meeting we always discuss and whatever happened in our office yang which is cause danger to the staff.
You miss? I want to ask a question about one of the issues. Engineer should not accept any benefit of compassion, financial or otherwise, from more than one party or professional engineering service on the same project. What is your opinion on bribes, and do you encounter such an unethical etiquette? Please.
Okay. Actually, we as an engineer and also as a human being, we must protect ourselves and especially on the engineer field, we should not accept any benefit or for services that we provide to anybody, especially for our client. So in my experience, working as an engineer, me myself never have any problem regarding this matter. I think everybody know the effect of bribes, and so we always must know our position and act as a good person. If we not on engineer, although we will not allow this happen in our life.
Yes. Right.
Okay.
So thank me for your advice. So before we end our discussion and conversation, I will ask in terms of employee safety, what are the safety measures that need to into account in your company?
Okay. If I stay at site, we must make sure everybody wear safety equipment such as safety shoes, safety jacket, and helmet. And also, every morning must have the safety briefing to everybody to make sure everybody alert and always protect himself for any risk will associate
Okay, thank you, Miss. I guess that is all for today's meeting. We would like to thank you for your sharing and time. We hope you stay healthy and safe.
Okay, thank you.